Welcome to our fantastic escape rooms. The aim of escape rooms is to crack the codes in each room. But how do you do this? How do you crack the codes? It's actually very simple. Each room has 5 different buttons. A video button, an eye or information button, a spanner button or a practice button, a gaming button, and a lock. The first thing you do when you enter the escape room is you press this video button and you watch the video. In the video, you will learn the new material. You can stop and start the video as much as you want if you want to repeat and re-listen or re-watch what you've just learned. When you press the I button, you learn the new material that was presented to you in the video. The difference is that in the I button, the material is presented in slide form, where you can move back and forth. You can go as far forward and as far backwards as you want, and you can watch and read as often as you want. After you've watched the video and you've read the material in the slide presentation, you press this spanner button, which gives you practice with all the new material. You can practice as much as you want. You can repeat yourself as often as you want until you are ready to go to the 4th button, which is the gaming button. This is the best button of all because when you press this button, you can play games. But unlike regular games, when you press this button, at the end of each game, you will reveal part of the code that you need to unlock the lock in order to escape. So, when you press this lock, you will need to write or choose the correct code and escape. So just before we go, let's go back. When you enter the room, you press the video button. You watch the video and learn the new material. The next button you go to is the I or the information button, which presents slides where the new material is taught. The following thing you have to do in the escape room is you have to press the spanner button and practice your new material as much as you want and as often as you want. Finally, you get to the best button of all, which is the gaming button. With this button, you will reveal part of the code at the end of each game that you play. You will play each game. There are 3 to 4 games in each room, and you will reveal at the end of each game a part of the code which you will need to unlock the lock. When you press the lock, you will have to write or choose the correct code in order to escape to freedom. So, let's become experts and let's escape from each room. And when you escape from each room, one of the monsters in the main room will get a balloon for all your efforts. Enjoy yourselves. Bye.